Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send Cash App tag. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to open up your mobile application. And all we need to do is to find our cash tag. If we found our cash tag, we will be able to send it. So basically, your homepage would be similar to this. And all you need to do is just to go to your profile and you will be able to access your cash tag. So by clicking here, you will be able to see your cash tag. And by seeing your cash tag, you will be able to start sending it to other people. So whenever you click on profile here in this under your name, you will find your cash tag, and it will start with a dollar sign, and then you can see all your cash tag, and then you can edit your profile, or you can just share your profile by clicking on share here, and you will be able to send your cash tag. And otherwise, if you want to start using other people's cash tag, and all you need to do is just to receive it, and then you can start sending payment to them. And basically, you would be needing just to go to this dollar sign or the cash sign where you can start managing your money or doing transactions. And basically, you need just to add the amount. You click on pay, and from there, you will have this to or the recipient form or the recipient input. And from here, you will need just to add other people cash tag, and by that, you will be able to start sending them money or cash or whatever. So as you can see, you can also start sending cash or gift cards, stock or whatever you like, and you can also give it a note just for as a description of the transaction or whatever. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.